Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact object that contains the text you want to change. This ensures you work on the correct layer. Once selected, open the Format pane from the ribbon or right-click and choose Format Shape or Format Text Effects so you can access fill and transparency controls. Why start here? Because text transparency lives in the object's fill or text options, and opening the pane now saves time later when you adjust percentage values and preview results live. Now you change the opacity. In the Format pane, choose Text Fill for text or Shape Fill for shapes, then move the transparency slider or enter a percentage like 50% for half opacity. If the text sits on an image, consider a gradient fill or semi-opaque shape behind it for contrast. This is why choosing fill type matters. Once done, step back and preview the slide to confirm readability and visual balance before final adjustments. Finish by applying the same transparency to other elements using Format Painter or the Slide Master so style stays consistent. Make sure to check contrast and accessibility. If text becomes hard to read, reduce transparency or add a subtle shadow for legibility. If your text disappears behind an image, use bring forward or send backward to reorder layers. If settings don't save, restart PowerPoint and reapply to the master, because layer order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.